So nice looking, looking at a fresh, beautiful face, young
It's
face.
my it's my honor and privilege that I am able to come to attend to your show in this for this thing, and this is an extreme serious matter that's going on almost for a year right now. Justice for
Yes.
Sushant and Disha and also five other people. So
Hmm.
I would like to ask that what is the current situation like? It's almost a year, and
Just a minute.
yeah, so we
The
can.
situation is very grim, and let me introduce you to our viewers that we have got Devilina, our honored guest, and you have been doing very hard work without, public being aware of it. You have done mostly anonymously, and I know how much work you have done, and I have gone through your whole effort. And the thing is that on 13th June, we will have an extended program, and that will be the actual tribute to justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. I'm not paying tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. We owe him justice. We have failed. So, we are paying tribute to the cause of justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. We are not going to, you know, uh, play music and dance and make fun of the whole, tragedy. So, we are going to take it very seriously. And as you have told me to come on the show live, so I am here on your instigation. All right. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can put, yes. So it's all your effort, and you can put your questions, and the people, the viewer, the lovers of Sushant Singh Rajput, the protesters for Sushant Singh Rajput, they will all go through the questions and the answers, and any question which they will put.
Yes, we'll be able to see the chats if they put. So, as of now, ma'am, the most important thing which everybody is thinking at this point of time, ma'am, can you hear? Ma'am, your video is stuck. Just a second, please don't mind. This is our first time because even for me, YouTube Live, it's the first time I'm doing, and same in the case of ma'am. Just bear with us for some time, please. Don't mind. Let her join. Ma'am is joining. So the most important thing that we will ask everybody is that it's been almost a year, एक साल हो गया है, and अभी तो justice का कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. एनसीपी अपना काम कर रहा है, पर सीबीआई का कुछ काम तो अभी तक कुछ स्टेटमेंट या ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट तो आया नहीं है, which we're expecting from coming from proper media house, or the way it should come officially. So I'm just trying to connect to ma'am. Just bear with us for some time, please. Just calling her. I just called her. She is joining back. So just bear with me because ma'am always does recorded sessions. So it's my instigation. I always told her to come live because I've seen in many channels that people ask a lot of questions, and I have seen people want Padma ma'am to come and to speak on different points. So it's very easy to do in a live show, which is not feasible sometimes in a recorded show. So yeah, ma'am is here. She's joining back. Yeah.
Just sit for 10 minutes, please.
Yes, ma'am. I'm the camera in the prop angle. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Make
yes,
it
it's
low.
fine. It's first time for both of us actually for YouTube Live.
Yes, it's a hit and trial.
It's a trial.
Hit and trial. Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. All can hear us.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
Good. So, yes, sir. Can you put your question?
yes, ma'am. The first question which I was
What
telling
question you have
everybody,
got with you?
yeah, the first question is that how shall we pay tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput? Because 13 June 2021 is coming. It's almost a year right now. And we can see that CBI is maintaining a silence. Maybe they are doing their work, but there is no official statement from their end since the past 1 year. We can see NCB is doing some work, but still there is no official statement from NCB yet, except a few people taking into custody, judicial custody, and all. So how shall we pay tribute? Because I have seen in the in different people who are normal people, not so they are very confused because they are not understanding. People are normal people are trying to leave this. If I say this is a movement, it was never a movement for me
Movement.
because some, yeah, people are terming this. So if I call this a movement, then yes, normal people are leaving. They are thinking that justice is not going to be prevailed, things will be compromised because in past something, Jia Khan's mother is still fighting. So we have to, because we have to reassure these people that justice will prevail. And ma'am, tell us how we can pay tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. That will be my first question
On
to you.
13th, yes. So on 13th of June, we will have a program with hopefully larger viewers and all the people who love Sushant, the cause for Sushant Singh Rajput, justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, and we will review. This is a national failure. Let me tell you very straightforwardly. This is a national failure where nation has failed its genius and a potential Nobel laureate this country has lost. So this is very unfortunate for the whole nation. First, we will review what was the cause of eliminating this genius, this gem of the nation. The second point will come to review will be how the planning was done, the cause and the planning. And the third point will be how they executed the killing of Sushant Singh Rajput. It's not so simple. It was a very well planned and a lot of, the whole lot of Dubai connection, Dubai forces, the Maharashtra government forces, and the Bollywood mafia forces, they were all together to get a genius eliminated. It's so unfortunate. Anyway, then hijacking of police action, hijacking of government action, hijacking of CBI action, hijacking of judicial action, and a very disappointing inertia on the part of the members of the family, barring the old, ailing, and grieving father of Sushant Singh Rajput. So these are the points we will take into account. All right, am I clear to you?
Yes.
Devlina?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
So these are the points we will discuss on 13th June, the day this boy was killed in his own house. In his own house in Bombay. Bombay is the economic capital of India, and it is one of the most popular city of the world. All right. So let me know your next question.
Yes, ma'am. The very next question is almost related to this. That is, it's for the first time, probably in the history of India, we have seen such a big digital campaign that has happened, and almost NRIs have also contributed. So now we can tell this is a global movement, and there is a huge pressure still now after it's almost a year. There are people who are still posting in different groups in different social media platforms, and in their own way they want to bring justice. So people have not forgotten Sushant, and this hasn't happened before. So I would like to ask that after this push or this pressure, which is still high, still we failed to get the justice till now. Maybe it will happen in
Yes.
future, but as of now we are not seeing anything. So how can we give a surety to the people on this, because people are restless?
See, nobody can give surety of anything in the present India. The circumstances are like that. You know it very well. Those who are safe, they are safe till they are safe. Nobody is safe. They are safe till they are safe. Once they are unsafe, they have to bear the consequences of being born in our noble motherland. All right. So, this failure is not a simple, it's not one pointed cause. It is a multi-pointed, multifaceted problem. Problem of utter failure of justice. It's a national failure where the whole nation has failed in the face of the entire world. So, the nation, the whole, the air, the water, the society, the culture, everything is polluted. And it's very difficult to safeguard your human rights, your life, your dignity, your property, your personal freedom. It's all, very, very, uncertain, uncertain. Um, the exact word is slipping from my mind. So, it's very difficult to achieve your fundamental rights in your own country. And the main problem is whether it is a state government, whether it is police, whether it is CBI, where it is, NIA and other agency, or the central government. Central government, I understand, our honorable Prime Minister is very, very helpless himself, because the opposition is trying to destabilize the country, to topple the government and come and sit on the top of the velvet cushion chair. They want the chair. And we have lost our ethics. We have lost our spiritual treasure on which our national ethics, our national principle, our national culture used to base. Everybody wants to money, either by cutting somebody's throat, cheating, robbing, three things: the money, sex, and power. Money, sex, and power. The human mind is being governed by these three factors. And India is our nation, our motherland is the worst sufferer of this kind of, shortcoming. Very unfortunate shortcoming. We don't believe in our karma. Money by any means, sex by any means, power by any means, at any cost. Sex, money, and power at any cost. Nothing comes between money, nothing comes between sex, nothing comes between power. We, the nation, this nation, we have given so-called religion to whole world. Our Vedanta, our Sanatan philosophy is the mother of all the philosophies and all the so-called religions of the world. And today we are bankrupt of our own so-called philosophy, our own religion, our own principles, our own ethics, our own culture, our own beliefs, our own faiths. It's a terrible situation. And the first cause is loss of our spiritual power, our spiritual belief. It is not that no evils were there even in ancient ages. In Satyajug, Treta, Dwapar, and Kaliyug, the evils were always there, but we have always won the evil over the evils. But now the evils are winning over us. This is the situation. And so-called spiritual leaders, they are all money-hungry people. They are making fool of our young generation. The young generation is not knowing our own old philosophy. I don't want to pinpoint on a particular name, but here I feel there is a need to give few examples. Lot of things are going on in India. People are, cheating the young generation by so-called, spiritual knowledge. And what they are catering, they are cheating. They have learned few techniques of meditation, and they have become the godfathers of the whole spiritual heritage or of our country. Our generation has lost, our own spiritual treasure. Why we should kill our boy? What for? And what we are going to consume out of killing, a gem of this nation? Baba Sahab had gone. There's no point, talking about him. His son, एक केसरिया कुर्ता पहन लिया, saffron kurta, that's it. And as of now, he is one of the top line criminal. He is one of the most powerful criminal of India. He set up a squad of killers. On 6th June, a hardcore criminal was made chief of the crime intelligence unit.
Last year, ma'am, 6 June
Yes.
2020.
Yes.
So
yes.
this and
Before the day Disha Salyan was killed. What kind of ethics? Shiv Sena. Hindu क्या है? Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, what are you doing for this nation? People to save their life, to save their dignity, to save their property, to save their personal freedom, they have to flee the country. And those who live, they pay price like Sushant Singh Rajput, Disha Salyan, and many millions are being killed, raped, robbed, and made victim of anything. India is a paradise of crime, and the whole government is responsible for it. Since the time of our independence, people have destroyed the nations to keep the power. And where is the power? Nobody can be powerful. Impossible. Not even the Babur, not even the Victoria, and even today, who was in the recent past, who was most powerful? Indira Gandhi? Where is she? Where are the powers? We must realize, we must regather our own treasure of our spirituality. Everything is fleeting in this world. If a spiritual leader could have taught the philosophy of Gita or the philosophy of Vedanta, which the whole world is today learning, India doesn't know. The whole world is learning Vedanta. Whole world is learning Gita. Whole world is looking forward to the philosophy and the spiritual treasure of India, and we are getting rid of it for monetary gain. So nobody is bothered. सबको अपने बेटे के लिए पैसा चाहिए. Every leader, what kind of leader you are? You are just concerned of making your son a millionaire at the cost of public interest. What kind of country is this? अभी एक फैशन चला है, and that also in copying of the Western world to learn meditation. अरे philosophy सीखो, अपनी Indian philosophy देखो. It's very important to earn a livelihood, a decent livelihood. You educate yourself, you educate your children, you have a livelihood, you rear your family, but first enrich them with our spiritual treasure. Nourish them with our spiritual, food.
Ma'am, I want to talk.
India is becoming materialistic, and the West world is becoming Indianized in philosophy. एक अभी मैंने देखा, सुशांत के केस में भी मैं थोड़ा ये कर लेती हूँ, ब्राउजिंग कर लेती हूँ, तो देखा कि एक बूढ़ा, आज का इंडिया का सबसे मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट स्पिरिचुअल लीडर है वो. आई विल नॉट नेम हिम बिकॉज इट विल हर्ट सेंटिमेंट ऑफ मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस. उसने मिलियंस को बेवकूफ बनाया हुआ है और मिसगाइड किया हुआ है. और एक वीडियो है, हाँ, do these things to reverse your aging. एकदम बूढ़ा है, सारे बाल गिर चुके हैं, पकी हुई दाढ़ी भी आधी रह गई है, आधी झड़ गई है, और वो 50,000 के डिजाइनर ये रोब पहन करके और पगड़ी बांध के आता है. Tell me, how can you reverse aging? How can you reverse diseasing, decaying? How can you reverse death? These are the three most constant certainty the moment you are born. वो कहता है. And he is competing with Mukesh Ambani. Our spiritual leaders are competing with Mukesh Ambani. All are multi-billionaire. All are multi-billionaire craving for money, collecting money for their son, son-in-law, daughter, daughter-in-law. This is the fact of India. How India will become powerful. India, we are the superpower of the world, but still third world country. It's abuse given to us. Whole world is laughing. The way Sushant Singh Rajput has been killed, for which Sushant Singh Rajput has been killed, and the way justice has been hijacked for Sushant Singh Rajput. This fact is not hidden from the entire world. So who will give us light? Who will give us light? Who will show us path? Not our leaders. 90% are criminals sitting in parliament. Our parliament cannot control its own affairs. रोज कुत्तों की तरह फाइट होती है. पार्लियामेंट में they don't have the parliamentarian have not learned one thing, how to speak one person at a time. They should be given a course, and there should be a law made by the lawmakers themselves, how they will behave in parliament. इनकी यही इंटेंशन होती है कैसे पार्लियामेंट को भंग कर दिया जाए, वॉकआउट किया जाए, कैसे गवर्नमेंट को नीचा दिखाया जाए, down, how to pull down the government. In developing countries, when it comes to the interest of the nation, the ruling party, the oppositions, all are one. In India, when there is a crisis, when there is a danger over the country, the opposition party, the demons of opposition try to put a greater danger, worse danger on the country.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question here. For the first step, we have seen that in this justice for Sushant or Disha, it's not just one government, but all the oppositions, everybody is maintaining a pin drop silence. No one is like, even oppositions are not talking on it. They are just simply kind of ignoring it.
Opposition or no opposition? Except
Yes.
barring top leaders, those who have done a lot for the country, but they are also forgetting that Ram Mandir is not our goal. Ram is our goal. Ram Raj is our goal. Where every citizen, irrespective of its faith and its religious belief, its economic status, its caste, its creed, everybody has got right over life, right over dignity, right over personal property, and all the fundamental rights. Why this judiciary has been crushed into a laughing stock? The dignity of Supreme Court of India, which was even maintained during the British Raj of India, the Supreme Court of India, the judiciary of India, is a parting gift of British Raj. Even they have not attacked the Supreme Court. Even they passed the hanging sentence on our honored martyr Shahid Bhagat Singh. But a proper, proceeding was followed. which a judiciary should follow. The evidences were collected and recorded, and then only the death sentence was given. अभी तो घर में डेथ सेंटेंस मिल रही है. When there's a 5 bodyguard in the house, Pithani, Lithani, Sithani, Rithani, and the boy is killed in one of the most horrendous deaths. Why I am fighting for Sushant Singh Rajput? Because the death was one of the most horrendous deaths, even more horrendous than Sina Bora death. I would say worse than Jaya Khan's was equally bad, and this is Salyan, but his was the worst. Worse than Sunanda Puskar's case. Inside his house, his own people, and outsider killers. Sachin Waje.
Ma'am, I have one question here.
Yes.
One question. We have seen lately that NCB has, taken Pithani in custody, and all these things are happening for the past few days. But I want to ask this question directly to via you to the judiciary or everybody. This is a very valid question. Pithani was present in the crime scene. He knows what exactly has happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. We have seen Pithani is getting engaged and putting pictures on different social media platform with his would-be wife or fiancée, smiling all the way. So they are just roaming free. So my question, if today NCB has got hold of them, that's okay. NCB is coming from a drug angle. But a murder has happened. They were there in the murder crime spot. How it is possible that they are roaming free? It's not about Pithani, it's about Keshav, it is about Dipesh, it is about Samuel Miranda. Where are they? Still now we don't know who is that girl who entered the house. That girl.
No, we will discuss it in more details on 13th, the day that boy was killed. And before killing him, all the frontline killers, they have guaranteed that no action is taken in this case. That is why they are all dancing naked. I said naked because shameless, not physical nakedness. They are all, they are all doing notankis. You all are watching notankis on the Facebook or
Twitter.
Twitter है, Instagram है. I'm not familiar with all this. So and Tube क्या कहते हैं, YouTube में भी काफी तमाशे चल रहे हैं.
Donations collect कर रहे हैं. People are collecting donations in the name of Sushant.
ये जो हिप्पोपोटामस है, उसने एक PIL क्या ये लगाई, RTI लगाई, और लगा के वो भिख मंगे का कटोरा लेके बैठ गया, पैसे लाओ. और वो कर रहा है, फ्रंटलाइन किलर है वो औरत जो है पारिक, उसके भी हाथ में कर रहा है. दे आर पार्टनर्स. सबके मुंह अलग अलग है, पेट एक है खाने वाला. सबको ब्लड का टेस्ट लग गया है. अगर CBI आई थी, सबने देखा है, तो अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं हुए? Why no arrest? एक तो सबसे बड़ा ब्लंडर हुआ है, उसमें क्या कारण था? We are not going to pin.
Hello. I think we lost her. Wait, probably a network problem. Just let me try to connect to her. She is joining. So basically, the decision was to have a big tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput as well as Disha Salian, both of them, on 13th. And we thought of doing a small trial because you can see there are a lot of internet issues or problems that's coming in between, because even it's for me, it's the first time I'm doing a YouTube live, and for ma'am also at this age, she is learning and she is hosting the entire show because it's her channel, so she has to execute the entire thing. So that's why we thought of doing this on a 7 days back, and tell people that on 13th we will definitely voice and roar really loud, because enough of our patients being taken. It's now a year, and we have not seen. Probably CBI is working. We are not asking credibility of CBI, but at the same time, justice needs to be seen to be served. We are not able to see justice. So for that reason, I think it's very important for us to keep voicing for it. You don't have to, whatever people are doing, people as we are all are individuals. We all have our contributions to further justice. No one here is a face. No one is a true SSRian. No one is a fake SSRian. It is a people's effort for which this entire movement, whatever has happened. Even if you say Arnab Goswami came into the picture, or Swami Subramaniam or Ishkaran came into the picture, it was all because of the public movement, and Subramaniam and Ishkaran came on 9th of July. So you can understand, before 9th of July, normal common public, Indian normal men and women, they have raised their voices in such a loud manner. That time it was not even a global movement, I will tell, because family has come only after 15th of July, I believe, after 1 month of Shashank's demise. But before that, it is only public. We all have raised our voices, and ma'am has done almost a post-mortem report. I requested ma'am to reiterate that thing on 13th, because a lot of people have joined this movement late, and a lot of people doesn't know what exactly has happened. So ma'am is joining. Probably it's better to hear from her. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, please.
So opposition is opposition or no opposition. I was what I was talking about.
Ma'am, I asked you, like, here in this particular Sushant and Disha Salion's case, we have seen that both the main party in the center as well as the opposition party, everybody is maintaining a dead silence. And how much people are saying CBI is working, CBI is working, but we all want results, because in recent past we already have seen how Jia Khan's case has happened.
See,
So
nothing has happened. If something happens, why there will be so much of secrecy? We wouldn't come to know. We will come to know. In 1 year time, nothing has happened. Only on 3 occasions, they have taken a dummy, taken Lithani Pithani to the same room where there was a drama of hanging drama. So they are doing rehearsal on hanging. Tell me, the boy was never hanged. Why thrice? And after that, nothing. After that, nothing. We will talk on this subject on 13th of June. Let that day come when he lost his life in his own house in daylight.
also on Disha.
In the evening, he after 3:30, his phone went silent. After that, phone was never retrieved. Why not? Four of them were not taken into custody by any agency. Once behind the bar. So now there are so many, problems in way to justice. And yes, somebody has questioned this, that why Kirti Singh Sushant's sister is glamorizing on the Twitter, and she is also collaborating with frontline killer called like Smita Parikh. Nilotpal is not frontline killer, but he is one of the culprit, opportunist, one of the crocodile. They have got no business to insult Sushant Singh Rajput. They are the family members. I don't say they are not aggrieved. But we the people, we are not less aggrieved. As so many supporters, as you know, even you have admitted that you have broken down at times when you realized the way he was killed. So they are taking things in a very casual way. They are trying to prove themselves a celebrity in the social media. This is the way to ask for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, whether family or no family. When I use this word family, I spare old, ailing, grieving father. He is the only person who is so much aggrieved. There is a total inertia. The family lawyer is also frustrated. But so, and these people, they have bought freedom to kill for themselves, all of them. Whether it is Aditya Thackeray or his father, or it is Riya Chakravarti or her brother and family, whether it is Smita Parikh, whether it is Aisha Khan or her killer sexual partner. And now we have got the photo of this sexual partner who has done the dark wave relay of the killing. We will display those photos. So they have bought freedom and then they have killed. They know CBI will not do anything. They know it. Everybody knows. Because when you take action, immediate arrest. This is such a gruesome crime. And the person present at the time of the crime they have to be taken into custody.
They are walking free instead. Happily, posting pictures, celebrating, yes.
ये सब सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, चाहे ये रिया चक्रवर्ती है या आदित्य ठाकरे है या क्या वो खत्री है या फत्री है, ये जितने भी नाम
पिठानी, एटलीस्ट जो लोग
सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का एक एक पैसा निकाला इन लोगों ने, क्या कुछ नहीं किया है. सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट आवर spiritual failure, administrative failure, judicial failure, सारे failure. How to narrate is so pathetic. Where will you go for justice when the criminals are sitting in the Supreme Court sorting out their orgasm? The Supreme Court, 4 judges are on record are perpetrators of sexual crimes against lady litigant, against young lawyers, women lawyer, junior judges, and female staff of the Supreme Court. This is Supreme Court. And one most disreputed person, condemned person, Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, was made as a Rajya Sabha member of the lower house of the parliament? How come? How come? Mr. Narendra Modi has to take responsibility for it. How come a person with, very long history of sexual harassment, illiterate of judge called Sanjeev Khanna, against whom there is a police complaint, there is a judicial complaint, the judicial cases against him, criminal cases against him, and he has been made into, in a great Russian hush as a Supreme Court judge of India, superseding 32 judges, deserving judges. And Mr. Narendra Modi has to take responsibility for it, being the head of the state. He is a statesman, the biggest, the highest statesman. He has to take responsibility and accept it. For this kind of mishaps, dangerous mishaps with our constitution, with our Supreme Court of India, with our judiciary, where will the public will go to ask for justice? The developing countries are developing countries because they honor their law and justice delivery system, whereas right from the time of our independence, we have made it into a laughing stock so that we can play our criminal roles with much more freedom and liberty. Liberty to kill, liberty to rape, liberty to rob, liberty to sexually harass. This is the state of affair of our country. Where will you go? The parliamentarian, they are busy making money for their own sons and, next of kin. Corona, why Corona became worse in India? Because वहां पे एक लीडर, इवन अरविंद केजरीवाल जैसा अपने आप को बड़ा महान और बड़ा क्रांतिकारी लीडर, उसने भी शराब की दुकानें खुलवा दी. दूसरे दिन कोरोना का नंबर टॉप पे चला गया, क्योंकि शराब बिकेगी, रेवेन्यू आएगा तो ब्रीफ केस भरे जाएंगे और उसका खाली ब्रीफ केस जाएगा, भरा हुआ आएगा. ब्रीफ केसों का आदान प्रदान बंद हो जाने से बहुत डेस्परेट सिचुएशन हो जाता है. इसलिए कोरोना का क्या हाल हुआ इंडिया में, द होल वर्ल्ड हैज वॉच्ड. इट वाज वेरी शेमफुल. इंडिया इज a rich country now and resourceful country, educated country. India is running the Middle East. India is running the American software industry. India is running the medical field of UK and Middle East, America.
Even in NASA, 50% people are Indian or Pakistan. In these brains are there.
What kind of president they have, put on the president chair? He signed the appointment of Sanjeev Khanna's elevation to Supreme Court of India like a criminal activity. They did it in hush and rush. रातों रात किया है, चुपचाप किया है. अरुण जेटली ने करवाया. और
मैम,
एक बात मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए मैं एक लाइव प्रोग्राम लेके आ रही हूं. एक सलाम नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम, वो बाद में होगा, लेकिन आज मैं एक बात जाने के पहले जरूर बोलूंगी कि he is the biggest statesman of our country, whom we have reposed our trust and faith and our strength. He should not cry in public for nothing in the world. It has never happened in the history of the world that any statesman will cry in public. when Arun Jaitley, that corrupt man, died, Mr. Narendra Modi shed tears for him. He shed tears for सुषमा स्वराज, क्योंकि ये दोनों मिलकर उनको लेके आए थे. सुषमा स्वराज ने कोई पाप नहीं किया, आई विल एडमिट, लेकिन ये अरुण जेटली ने तो अपने क्रिमिनल केस में जीतने के लिए संजीव खन्ना पहले जीत लिया, फिर संजीव खन्ना को सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज बना दिया, उस सेक्सुअल परवर्ट को, भेड़िया को. और जब कोरोना की डेथ हुई, व्हाई द प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल शेड टीयर्स? ही विल फाइट लाइक ए फाइटर. The crisis comes and we fight. The Prime Minister of England was the worst victim of Corona. He was saved. But he never shed tears.
Ma'am, lot of people.
Country. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I was looking through the comments. So a lot of people are saying that yeah, we should not say anything against Modi. The point, I think, what ma'am is saying, she is not at all saying against Modi ji. What she is trying to mention, ma'am, you can correct me if I'm wrong. What she is trying to mention is that Modi ji should be responsible for the things that is going on under his tenure, because he is the prime minister. He is the yes, ma'am.
If there is a prime minister in India, I don't blame Mr. Modi ji. He has suffered the worst of attacks from every corner, and he has survived. But that doesn't mean that he will shed tears in public. Nothing. And he will make sure that such sinful things don't happen. Like making a criminal Supreme Court judge, Sanjeev Khanna, making a criminal of sexual offense, Justice Ranjan Gogoi, into a member of the parliament, Rajya Sabha member. This is wrong, and we have to speak truth. We have to speak truth. Okay? So, why CBI has failed? This is a direct responsibility on Narendra Modi ji. और मैं ये भी बता दूं कि वेस्ट बंगाल की पॉपुलैरिटी डाउन हुई बीजेपी की, बिहार में पॉपुलैरिटी डाउन हुई बीजेपी की, क्योंकि we failed to deliver justice to Sushant Singh Rajput. This is a fact. This is a bitter fact.
But ma'am, also I think it is very important for you also to give motivation to the younger generation, because this movement was mainly, carried away, or you started by the young youth of India. So I don't want that. We all don't want that. These people should lose the focus, and they should feel, because ultimately it's a democratic country and we have the power of democracy. So I think nothing is above the common people or common men or common women. So, ma'am, I would like you to tell the youth generation not to feel that nothing is going to happen, because as long as we are raising our voice against every injustice that is happening in our country, be it Sushant, Disha, and it has happened, it is happening with many unnamed people. It's so unfortunate that Sushant Singh Rajput is an actor, he's a celebrity. He was staying in a place in West Bandra in a posh area, and in a open, the murder has happened, and still CBI or whatever the agencies are, they're taking so much of time. So what will happen if anything happens with people like us?
It's not
Nothing is going to happen.
time. It's not taking time. They're not doing anything. They're not going to do anything. They have spoiled Sunanda Puskar's case. They have spoiled Jia Khan's case. They have spoiled Arusi murder case. They have spoiled Sushant Singh Rajput case as well. And Subramanian Swamy, this BJP Rajya Sabha member, should be kicked out. He should be kicked out at his bottoms and thrown out of Rajya Sabha. He has done such a mean things against justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. He was the main person as an agent of Shiv Sena. He betrayed BJP, he betrayed parliament, he betrayed the whole, he corrupted the medical, All India Medical Institute of, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, सबको इसने करप्ट किया अकेले. इसके बॉटम पे किक मार के इसको बाहर निकालो पार्लियामेंट से. एटलीस्ट आई विल डिमांड फॉर इट ऑल अलोन. He was the first one to work on how to sabotage the case. The young generation has got very big responsibility on their shoulders to make the country a democratic country. Whether there is a Ram Mandir or no Ram Mandir, there is a Ram everywhere throughout the universe. Lord Rama cannot be kept in the mandir. When Krishna was misunderstood by Arjun, Krishna showed him his universal form. Rama is universal. Krishna is universal. The creator is universal. Only one creator. They came in different form. Whether it was Prophet Muhammad Sahib, whether it was Guru Nanak Ji, Dev Ji, whether it was Jesus Christ, whether it was Gautam Buddha, it is all one energy which comes on the earth to lit light. We don't need a temple. We did need it as a symbol of our victory over evil. But we want Ram Rajya. And it will come, hopefully. And for this, Sushant Singh has sacrificed his life. He made himself into an example that a genius is killed in his own house for being a genius. He was killed for being a genius, for no other reason. In whichever field he's put his hand in, he did a miracle. Whether it was in his engineering studies, whether it was in acting career, whether it was in spirituality, doing donations, doing the welfare work, whether it was artificial intelligence, whether it was NASA aeronautics, whether it was astronomical physics. He was killed for this. That boy did not know that he is being encircled by his own enemies. And today, ये सुशांत सिंह के मित्र, उसके जूती के बराबर नहीं है वो हिवारकर, उसको कहता है मित्र. ये स्मिता पारिक, ये फीमेल डॉन मित्र, ये क्या नाम है उसका, नीलोत्पल मित्र, ये सारे क्रिमिनल करप्ट पीपल मित्र. एंड ये यूट्यूबर्स दाल रोटी घटने के बाद इनकी दाल रोटी चल रही है एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ डिग्निटी ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. दे आर सेलिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. ऐसी हल्की फुल्की खबरें बनाते हैं. कोई ये गरीब को खाना खिला रहा है या जस्टिस मिला नहीं बच्चे को, और सबसे बड़ा गरीब तो तू ही होगा, तेरा पेट भरो. पेट का साइज भी भगवान ने इतना बड़ा बना दिया. बताइए, भिकमंजा जैसा ये कटोरा फैला दिया. और लास्ट में मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि फैमिली हैज टू वर्क. बारिंग फादर, family has to be more responsible, and in more positive way they have to come forward. People, citizens like us, senior citizens, We have worked day and night to fight for justice. And I'm going to take a break because I have to submit my synopsis to a university to start a research work and finish it off. It's a due since last so many years. I put it aside because Sushant Singh case came, and it was such a horrifying case. And I have done it for the sake of my conscience. I have not done it for any my selfish reason. And I will safeguard the interest of justice. But family is family. When a PIL was filed for calling CBI, it was dismissed. When father's petition went, Supreme Court has to bring justice. And with great regret, now I acknowledge that I have been sent a clipping of a Twitter. I don't come on Twitter. I came for a reason and I've taken a break. I'll come when I attack judiciary. The sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, Meetu Singh, has come up with a very rude and very shrewd and very crude tweeters. In there are 3 tweets. What does she mean? She will lie back and not do anything for her brother? Is it not their responsibility? Who got wrong a criminal proceeding instituted, abetment of suicide? तो उसने भी एक कर दिया, रिया चक्रवर्ती ने अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड, तुम्हारे कर्मों का फल मिल गया। तुमने आउट ऑफ जेलसी ये केस अबेटमेंट का करवाया, मर्डर का क्यों नहीं करवाया? जब पूरी दुनिया चिल्ला रही थी मर्डर हुआ है, तुम लोगों ने क्यों नहीं माना कि मर्डर हुआ है? क्यों चुप बैठे हो?
1 साल हो गया है, अभी भी 302 नहीं आया है।
चुप बैठे हो तो बिल्कुल चुप रहो, फिर ये रूड ट्वीटर मत करो। We will not tolerate it. We are fighting for a soul. We are not fighting for a son. We are not fighting for a brother. We are not fighting for a, what should I say?
For a family member, for our blood.
For our blood. We are fighting for a soul, innocent soul, a gem of our nation. And such horrendous death has not moved you sisters. The Kirti Singh has been very, very irresponsible. I must say this. I don't have a right to say that family should do this, family should do that. I don't have that right, but they should not try to make things worse for Sushant Singh Rajput and worse for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. ये प्लेकार्ड लेके खड़े हो जाने से कोई मामला सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, कोर्ट में जाने से होता है। You people have to move to the court. You have to approach your lawyer, Vikas Singh. When I talked to him, he appeared very, frustrated because family is not moving forward. They will move. I have got hope they will move. One sister says she is Supreme Court lawyer. Her husband is Supreme Court lawyer. One is sitting in America and doing nothing. The whole world was shouting. The photo was telling, speaking photos of murder. By seeing the photo.
Ma'am, Meetu was present on the crime spot. If you have able to make a postmortem report, seeing the photos only, the people who are present in the crime spot must have seen the bruises, the cellotape, whatever is there on the body of Sushant Singh Rajput. So my question, okay, I do understand that.
No. Still, let us give them benefit of doubt. नहीं समझ में आया होगा, हो सकता है. Give them benefit of doubt, but don't try to make things worse for Sushant Singh Rajput. Don't do it. We will not tolerate it. We are fighting for it. We have sacrificed our own interest. My research is as important as Sushant Singh research. It's only once in the world which is going to be done. The cause of all medical disorders I found in metaphysics. And I have to publish it. And I'm doing, see what is Smita Parekh is doing, what Aisa Khan is doing, what Nilotpal is doing, what Sandeep Singh is doing, what Ankita Lokhande is doing. Is it my job to do it? I'm a doctor. I'm a bloody doctor. I have to work for humanity. And they are taking it very lightly. The tweet was very rude, crude, and very shrewd. And they are doing nothing. It is their responsibility to turn abetment of suicide into a case of murder. One can write direct to the trial court that it is a case of murder.
Exactly.
I can write, but I want family to go ahead. Patna is my hometown. I repent why I am not in Patna. I always repent, my blood boils, why I am not in Patna. But at this moment, I can afford to be in Patna. I have to complete my research.
Ma'am, I just want to add here that a lot of people are thinking in the comment section what I'm feeling that people must be thinking that ma'am is telling that she will go to the research field and so what will happen to justice? I can reassure you, ma'am will be there. But the most important thing is that we all are frustrated the way you are frustrated today. The equal frustration is on us, and ma'am will be more frustrated because she has been on the forefront shouting for Sushant justice since day one. Probably she is the first person to make a post-mortem out of the picture that she has seen. She hasn't seen the body. And she has filed everything and she has made into her previous videos. Even I was a fan of you, man. I have seen your videos where I came to know that you have submitted the same to CBI also. The CBI has those reports also, and I think we will discuss. And so, people who are thinking that today why we are not talking about Sushant and Disha, we want to reassure you that this is a very first time we are coming. On 13th, we will make a special episode which will be only on Sushant Singh Rajput, Disha Salion, and we will speak on everything. And I will request, ma'am, that the postmortem analysis that you have made, maybe a year back, people have forgotten it. It will be really great if you can just, repeat the same and make those people, because a lot of people have joined this entire thing, much late maybe, who are not there since June 2020. So it will be they will also come to know that a person from someone who was not even present can make a postmortem report. I can say that on the month of June, end of June or July, beginning of July, that this is a murder and this is how the murder has been executed. So how 302 has not yet come. So I think we will speak, and it is very important, ma'am. The younger generation, ma'am, I want you, ma'am, to tell them to stick towards, not to get confused, because, ma'am, since you are not there in the social media platform, I was very active there, but lately I am trying to be inactive because it's kills time.
No. I again advise you, don't waste your merit in getting into slush. मैं तो क्रूड भाषा
Yes.
में, बिहारी भाषा में कहती हूँ कि ये ट्विटर को एक औरत ने अकेले संडास बना दिया है, संडास. And you should not get into it. You be away from it. Your standard is different. You are highly educated. You come from a very good family. You have got brain, and use it. And you have used it. Today I have honored you, by bringing to this a small channel.
Thank you.
And this is my honor too. You have worked very hard, and how people have exploited you, maybe I will discuss on some other day, or maybe on 13th.
Doesn't
maybe
matter, ma'am.
Yeah.
Later on.
On 13th, we will talk only for Sushant.
And Disha, ma'am.
Only for Sushant. Nothing else.
Sushant and Disha, ma'am.
Sushant means Sushant plus including 9 people. It was a killing spree. सचिन वाजे, क्या परमात्मा ने डेड बॉडी को किनारे समंदर में पहुंचा के ऐसे दरवाजा खोला, अपने हाथ से खोला है. उसके बाद से किलिंग करके दिखाओ। आदित्य ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे, अब किलिंग करवाओ, अब डिस्टॉर्शन करवा के दिखाओ कितना बड़ा पेट है तुम्हारा। बाबा साहब ठाकरे के नाम पे कोयटार पोत के रखा है, ग्रैंडसन और सन ने। वाह, क्या शर्मनाक बॉम्बे की स्थिति है। बॉम्बे वॉज सच अ, कभी बॉलीवुड के लिए बॉम्बे पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेमस था। क्या हस्तियां होती थी बॉलीवुड में। आज सिर्फ क्रिमिनल है, ओनली क्रिमिनल्स आर देयर। और नहीं तो पैसा चूसने वाला, और नहीं तो नंगे अपना बॉडी दिखाने वाली, यही लोग हैं। आज एथिक्स नहीं है। Bollywood is a different world, a comprehensive world of culture, art, and ethics. Today, totally bankrupt of art, culture, ethics, principles, values, कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है। सब भड़वों का डांस है। और ये सब हमारी बैंकरप्सी ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरह हुआ है। इतने बड़े बड़े ब्लॉकबस्टर कभी बने ही नहीं जितने आज बनते, क्योंकि आज सेक्स के लिए जो लस्ट है वो पहले नहीं था। मधुबाला मधुबाला होती थी, वहीदा रहमान होती थी, जया बहादुरी थी, इवन हेमा मालिनी वॉज हेमा मालिनी। अब तो कुछ भी नहीं है, सेक्स है, सेक्स है। गाउन पहन के आती हैं पार्टियों में, इतना तक खाली होता है। जैसे कि सोफिया लॉरेन के खानदान में जन्म हुआ था और एलिजाबेथ टेलर की। हाँ, और उसके बाद सब 25-50 कैमरे वाले खड़े रहते वहां। ओ क्या नाम है, गौरी मैम जरा राइट गौरी मैम। ऐसे ऐसे बताओ, ये कौन सी शादी है, ये कौन सा फैक्शन में तुम जा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो। तो गाउन दिखाना है। 10 लाख का गाउन एक दिन के लिए बनाए हैं तो उसके तो 10 लाख फोटो भी निकलने चाहिए ना। So the whole nation is going without any direction. There is no direction, there is no vision. The young generation, the strength of our nation has to wake up to a new era. We are a very powerful country. We are a very meritorious company. कहाँ चली गई हमारी वो सारी वसीयत, कहाँ खो दिया।
Biggest democracy, ma'am, in the world, Indian democracy.
Biggest criminalocracy.
Unfortunate truth.
Shameful truth. Now it is the responsibility of the young generation to join the parliament, to join judiciary, to join police force and make a new country. Even the young doctors, they have become industrialists, money-making machine. It's everywhere, just craving for money. In 35 years, high blood pressure. 40 years, diabetes. 36 years, arthritis. 25 years, severe depression, suicide. एंड इनको और मिसगाइड करने वाले आज के स्पिरिचुअल सो कॉल्ड लीडर्स हैं। दे आर ब्लडी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट। यू मस्ट बॉयकॉट देम, यू मस्ट किक देम एट द राइट प्लेसेस एंड टेल देम टू शट अप। और जिसकी बात मैं कर रही हूं, बाय चांस मेरी नजर में आ गया और मैंने देखा कि एक प्रोग्राम है उसका नाम है हु एम आई, ठीक। और एक यंग लड़का उस प्रोग्राम में पूछता है उस स्पिरिचुअल उल्लू के पट्टे का, गुरु का, है कि whom am I? It's a very intelligent question. It's a book written by Maharshi Raman of South. Maharshi Raman lived his life as a saint. एक लंगोटी में रहे हैं वो, स्कैंटी क्लॉथ में, चाहे गर्मी हो या सर्दी हो या बरसात हो. And he spent his whole life in silence. He has translated the Gita, the Vedas, the Upanishads, the जितने भी स्पिरिचुअल स्क्रिप्चर्स हैं, सबको उन्होंने ट्रांसलेशन किया है और सबकी व्याख्या की है. एंड एवरीथिंग इज बाय ऑन द टिप ऑफ द टंग. उसको ये उल्लू का पट्टा अपना नाम पता नहीं क्या रख लिया है, अपना नाम रख लिया सदगुरु, और कहता है कंडोम लेके चलो, वेदर यू आर मैरिड और अनमैरिड, कीप कंडोम ऑलवेज विथ यू. तो इसने हमारे यंग जनरेशन को कुत्ता समझ लिया, कुत्ते का जनरेशन. दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर ऑफ टुडेज लीडरशिप, ये स्पिरिचुअल लीडर.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. It's breaking.
Okay, maybe the network
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
very. The network
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Yeah, it's fine now.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, please continue.
Pardon?
Your voice was breaking. Now it's okay. It's fine.
Okay. So, हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया है और गालियां सुन सुन के किया है. अभी कमेंट में भी गालियां आ रही है, ठीक है. अभी जब तो हम लोग फोटो लेके आएंगे ना इनके जो क्राइम के साथ, जो सेक्स का जो क्राइम चला है सुशांत सिंह के घर में, उसको अभी ये पर्दाफाश करेंगे, समझ गए. सो
ma'am, I just want to say Bharat Defense Hindi is a probably a YouTube channel. उसने कुछ उल्टा सीधा लैंग्वेज से चीज लिखा है. I love to take a screenshot of him. Your language speaks what you are, and I would really want to say that we have nothing against you.
Listen, don't respond to dogs. Respond to human beings, okay? We are human beings. We will relate with human beings. That's it.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay? You can't expect a dog to speak like a man. You can't speak a dog to sing like a cuckoo. सबका अपना inherent character होता है. Let them go ahead with it. Okay? Most welcome. I don't react. I don't react. I feel pleased that I am being acknowledged. Take it.
Actually, they came here. Huh? They came here. They came here. We don't. I have never seen not a single video of them yet, okay. But I heard this name before.
Okay.
Anyways, let's focus more on Sushant.
Yes.
And
तो yes. ऐसा है कि हमारे यंग जनरेशन से मुझे बहुत अभी भी आशाएं हैं कि अगर इस एज में मैं रिसर्च कर रही हूँ, मैं संघर्ष कर रही हूँ, मैं लड़ाइयां लड़ रही हूँ, तो यंग ब्लड तो बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. हिंदुस्तानी लड़के और लड़कियां, उनका मेरिट, और मैं अब स्पिरिचुअल मैटर को ला रही हूं सामने और आप लोगों के लिए ला रही हूं, क्योंकि मैं देख रही हूं बहुत भटकाव आया है. श्री श्री रविशंकर जी ने कुछ अच्छाई लाने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन अब तो एक नया भूत आ गया है. और मैं डॉक्टर हूं. जब मैंने देखा कि एक उसने वीडियो बनाई है, उसमें किसने उसको ये क्वेश्चन किया अबाउट डिप्रेशन, कहता है कि अपने आप को लोग इंपॉर्टेंस लेने के लिए, अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए अपने आप को ये डिप्रेस्ड होने का प्रिटेंड करते हैं। ये बोलता है ये सतगुरु, सदगुरु, ये गुरु है इंडिया का। पूरे हमारी, आई डोंट यूज हिंदुइज्म वर्ड, हमारा जो रिलीजन है, जो सनातन धर्म है, उसको बर्बाद करके रखा इस बुढ़े ने।
So, ma'am, I think we speak on Sushant.
यस, सो ऑन, तो हम 13 तारीख को पूरी डिटेल में लाएंगे और प्लान करके आएंगे। This
Yeah.
today's session was done because you were very keen to speak out, because like you, millions and millions are frustrated. Okay, so we have taken a trial. It's a hit and trial method today. ठीक है? So
Decided.
yes, so we will pay him a very respectful, very, very highly honorable tribute, and we will talk the truth. And he will get justice. He will get justice. And the culprits will be behind bar. देर होगी लेकिन दुरुस्ती से होगी, दुरुस्त करेंगे, सभी को दुरुस्त करेंगे। ठीक है ना? सभी को दुरुस्त करेंगे। आएगा वो टाइम। किसी ने सोचा था कि सचिन वाजेद ये हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल मीडिया में आके नंगा कर दिया जाएगा। क्या बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, टॉप टू टो, ही इज अ क्रिमिनल। And he was brought on 6th of June, just day before the innocent girl was killed. अब तो किलिंग बंद है, अब किलिंग करके दिखाओ। घूस देते देते तो हालत खराब हो गई। ठीक है ना? बॉम्बे पुलिस का मुंह भरा, सीबीआई का मुंह भरा, एनआईए का मुंह भरेगा, क्या नाम है, एनसीबी का भरा है। हाँ, एनसीबी का भरा है। व्हाई ये रिया चक्रवर्ती इज रोमिंग आउटसाइड? व्हाई?
पिठानी इज रोमिंग आउटसाइड, सोशल मीडिया में पिक्चर डाल रहा है।
नहीं, आदित्य ठाकरे इज, व्हाई इज इन हिज हाउस? ही शुड बी बिहाइंड द बार, एंड पीपल शुड पनिश दिस सलमान खान, सैफ अली खान, और ये जो है शाहरुख खान, जिसकी पूरे भौवें जो है बॉल्ड हो गई हैं, और ही इंसल्टेड ये आवर जीनियस लाइक एनीथिंग ऑन द स्टेज। तेरी औकात क्या है? तेरी औकात क्या है? एक बॉटम हिलाने की औकात है बस। ये औकात हमारे लड़कों, यंग जनरेशन ने तुम्हें दिया, और ये 60-65 साल के हैं ये सब। जब मैं यंग थी तो इनकी पिक्चरें आया करती थी। टेल मी। चलो, तो अभी कितना हो गया? हाउ मेनी आवर्स यू स्पेंड विथ मी, डबलिना?
Oh, ma'am, it's almost 1.5 hour, not fully. मैम, एक चीज मैं छोटा सा एक चीज बोलना चाहती हूँ जाने से पहले ऑन कर्मा। ये मेरा माम हमें हमेशा मुझे बोलती है कि ये जो त्रेता युग है ना, तो सत्य युग होता है जब माँ दुर्गा का था, फिर त्रेता युग हुआ जहाँ पे रामायण हुआ, फिर द्रौपद युग में महाभारत हुआ, ये कलयुग है। यहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं भगवान श्री कृष्ण का अवतार, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं एक है जगन्नाथ, पुरी में जो बहुत फेमस है। तो अगर जगन्नाथ का आप हिस्ट्री देखोगे ना, तो उसका हाथ नहीं है, उसका सिर्फ आंख है। जब आप पूजा करते हो ना, तो वहां पे पंडे लोग आपको बोलेगा कि आप आंख से देख के प्रे करो। तो मैंने एक बार पूछा था कि हाथ क्यों नहीं है, तो बोला था कलयुग में ना आपको ब्लेसिंग्स करने के लिए, मारने के लिए भगवान नहीं रहेगा, हाथ पे खाना डालने के लिए। आंख से वो देखेगा आपका कर्मा क्या कर रहे हो, उसका फल आपको मिलेगा। ये कलयुग का भगवान है। तो मैं ये चीज बोलना चाहती थी कि आप आज जो भी कर रहे हो, लोगों को शायद आज जब जून 2020 था, बॉलीवुड बोलो या बहुत सारे लोग बोलो, इन लोगों ने कॉमन पीपल को जस्ट इग्नोर किया था। इनको लगा था यार कोरोना है, कुछ दिन के लिए बोल रहा है, फिर दे विल बी क्वाइट। बट आज जून 2021 में आई कैन अश्योर यू there will be many people who are extremely frustrated. और हमें नहीं पता जो लोग गलत कर्मा कर रहे हैं वो आज बहुत ऊंचा सर लेके घूम सकता है. Probably we don't know what will happen to them June 2022. Yeah, ma'am.
इसीलिए मैंने कहा है कि एक मैं I'm going to introduce topic the power of karma. किसी को पता नहीं
Yes.
है, किसी को पता नहीं है क्योंकि किसी ने बताया नहीं इनको. इट्स एब्सोल्यूट लॉ, यूनिवर्सल लॉ, पावर ऑफ कर्मा, एब्सोल्यूट यूनिवर्सल लॉ. ये भगवान ने बना के, ईश्वर ने, अल्लाह ने, वाहिगुरु जी ने, जिसने भी, द सुप्रीम एनर्जी हैज मेड अ लॉ और उसको अपने कंप्यूटर में फीड करके छोड़ दिया है. नहीं तो वो अकेले कहां से दुनिया को सल्टेगा. कर्म कभी तुम्हें छोड़ नहीं सकता और कर्म तभी कटेगा जब उसको तुम पॉजिटिव कर्म करके काटोगे. प्लस माइनस इज इक्वल टू 0. अलजेब्रा है, कर्मा इज एन अलजेब्रा. ठीक, तो कर्मा कहीं नहीं जाता है. आज ब्रिटिश सल्तनत एक आइलैंड में क्लोज्ड है, कर्मों का फल है. आज इंदिरा गांधी की खानदान पावर के लिए तरस रही है. ठीक,
जवाहरलाल नेहरू का खानदान,
हाँ, जो भी है, पावर के लिए हर क्राइम करने को लिए तैयार है. तो पावर ऑफ कर्मा में मैं एक डाल रही हूं. एक्चुअली मेरी क्या है, आई एम नॉट अ जर्नलिस्ट, आई एम नॉट एन यूट्यूबर, आई एम ए मेटाफिजिसिस्ट और आई एम ए वेरी स्पिरिचुअल बीइंग और आई एम अ वॉरियर ऑफ ट्रुथ. और मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. No other treasure I have got. I am with 2 empty hands. But the hand of God is always on my head. तो पावर ऑफ कर्मा मैं अभी 2-4 दिन में डाल दूंगी. वो टेक्नोलॉजिकल शॉर्टकमिंग्स है. आज ही बहुत ड्रामे हुए, कल भी ड्रामे हुए. वो लाइव आने का बहुत ड्रामा चला. तो देविलीना वाज आफ्टर माय ब्लड, यू नो, I have to come live. I have to fight for Sushant Singh Rajput.
yes,
and
ma'am.
I have to fight on the front live. So I had to honor her wishes. She has done a lot. I know it very well. I have got the evidence. She sent me all the evidence what she did for Sushant Singh Rajput in the early days, just after the death. Anyway, the Almighty will pay her for her positive karma. And इस प्रोग्राम को क्लोज करने के पहले आप सभी लोगों से, चाहे आप लोग भले लोग हो या बुरे लोग हो, अपनी नजर में सबसे हमारी फोल्डेड हैंडेड रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस देश को बनाए रखना. हम दुनिया को, हमने धर्म दिया है, हमने दुनिया को साइंस दिया है, हमने दुनिया को ब्रेन दिया है. आज हम भिखमंगे बने हुए. वी आर पॉपर ऑफ जस्टिस. इस देश से कंपैशन का नाम खत्म हो गया है. हम जब टीनेजर थे तो उन दिनों रेडियो ट्रांजिस्टर हुआ करता था. हम लोगों को सिनेमा देखना भी अलाउड नहीं था. और कोई अच्छा कोई ऐसा हुआ तो अलाउड है, तो कभी गए तो कभी गए. तो अब मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया है, आप लोग सब ढूंढना, अगर वो गाना कहीं मिल जाएगा तो. बहुत सारे गाने हैं अपने देश के लिए है, लेकिन ये मुझे कहीं नहीं मिला. मे बी आई डोंट नो द फुल टेक्नोलॉजी. हमारी आईटी बहुत पुअर है, आई मस्ट एक्सेप्ट. और इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा फ्रंट पे ज्यादा नहीं आ पाती हूँ। तो एक गाना था, रंग गुलजार वतन तेरा निखारा हमने, रंग गुलजार वतन तेरा निखारा हमने, और एक तूफान से किश्ती को उबारा हमने। तो हम तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के लाए, और इसको डूबने नहीं देने का सारा श्रेय हमारे यंग जनरेशन को। आज यंग लोग सब इंडिया छोड़ छोड़ के भाग रहे हैं जॉब के लिए, और अपने टू गेट ए ह्यूमन लाइक लाइफ। सारा कंट्री बहुत तेजी से ये हो रहा है, ब्रेन ड्रेन। तो बस अगर देश मजबूत हुआ तो तुम भी मजबूत रहोगे। देश कमजोर हुआ तो एक एक नागरिक आज कमजोर है, क्योंकि देश कमजोर है। और एक मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान को अकेले मजबूत नहीं बना सकते, उनके टांग खींचने वालों में हजारों लाखों की तादाद में लोग हैं। तो अभी हम क्लोज कर दें बिफोर पीपल गेट बोर्ड ऑफ अस।
मैम यस, बिफोर क्लोजिंग एक चीज बोलना चाहती हूँ कि 13th को दैट विल बी कमिंग संडे, सेम टाइम, कमिंग संडे मैम, 13th June, सेम टाइम, सो दैट इज इंडियन 7:30 PM IST। तो उस टाइम पे हम पूरा ट्रिब्यूट टू सुशांत सिंह राजपूत एंड दिशा सलियन एंड जिया खान एंड ऑल द रिलेटेड मर्डर्स जो हुआ था उसके बारे में मैम बात करेंगे। एंड दैट विल बी जो लोगों का बहुत सारी चीजें कि टॉक अबाउट सुशांत डायरीज, आई वाज लुकिंग थ्रू द कमेंट्स, उस दिन हम जाके इस सारे चीज मैम बताएंगे, उस दिन वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज टुडे इट वाज अ वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू, वी जस्ट came in there. That's all.
We forced ourselves.
Yes. And one more quality of ma'am I must say to everybody. In my worst days, she stood like a healing thing in my life. I will accept it. She has that strong positive energy in her. And I feel really honored and obliged that I have been able to talk to her on personal grounds. Yes, ma'am, it's true.
No, you are very strong. You are a very strong being yourself. That is why. And may God bless you, and may God bless all my young generation.
Yes.
All the sons and daughters of our Mother India. And thank you so much for tolerating us, for being with us. Thank you.